I'm feeling really excited and happy about meeting the minister. You know, the tenant and minister meeting together, asking any questions that other tenants might have as well. It's a real good moment. I'm ready to go.
I'm Angell Green. I'm sense, it's a no-brainer to me about involving tenants. Home means so much to so many people, isn't it? It's about a safe place.
How is the Welsh Government addressing things like the cost of living and building safely?
Then we get to eat.
Yes.
So nice to be able to chat to you. I very much appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations once again.
I met the minister today. It was sensational. She was really nice, really easy to speak to. Got to ask some questions about what the tenants wanted to know, and she gave some really good answers. Good day. So I will be continuing to be an influence for the tenants and have a voice for them, but I'm also looking to secure a board in housing so I can continue this on a higher platform. So Tenant of the Year award has really encouraged me to reach my full potential into elevating how to be there more for tenants and a voice for them. Just want to share that it's so important that they do listen to our voice. We're the ones that are living it, we're the ones that experience it, and it's good to work together in collaboration with that. So get involved in any way you can. That could be via social media, it could be going to your housing, but have your voice said. Don't stay in silence. You can really be helping someone else. It was a great opportunity for me, thank you, and it shows that we should all say yes.